Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of TechOver. Today in this video I just want to show you how to get free Google Play credits. So it's very easy. Once you open the Play Store of your Android device, just check out for here on the profile. You can see we will have play points. So in the play points you can see I collect about 2,471 play points. And what is this? I can exchange these play points to free Google Play credits, and this is cool. So how you can collect these play points? You can go to check for weekly perks, and you can see I got one of them. When I tap over here to get my free play points, you can see I got 5, and I'm not too much high over here. You can just upgrade your rank over here. You can see I got silver benefits, you will get gold benefits, and platinum. You can earn more than 10,000 play points by reaching over here on this rank. So this is cool. When just exit from here, you can see we have use, and we can just use this play points for free Google Play credits and other games if you're playing over here, and this will be cheaper from the Google Play credit. So when I check over here to the story of my earning, you can see I got all the play points from here, from the recharging and playing the games, and you can do the same thing to get more play points. And even you have one more option here, which is earn. So when just tap over here, you can just earn your play points. So by installing this game you will get free play points, and we have a lot of lists of the games to install it and getting the free play points. So this is cool option we got here on Google Play to get free Google Play credit. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video to your friends. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. See you in the next quick tutorial videos. Bye bye my friends, peace.